Welcome to another Caravan video, my 2002 Sterling Nickel Sapphire, and in this video I'm going to be looking at this sink. Now this one picked up straight away. I mean, it's obvious on the video. I look back on the video, the first video when I looked at Oldham Caravans, but you know, as soon as I got back I realised there's something missing from this sink. I think these hinges are a big clue. Yep, with no glass lid for it. And this tap, this is like a generic tap that somebody's just fitted. Now looking closer you can see where, but it's silicone, they sealed it with silicone. You know, because it's a generic, just like some generic tap. So that means, well, this is my theory. What I think has happened is, for some reason the taps stopped working. So whoever at some point in the past has changed this to just like a generic tap, and they've had to take the lid off. Well, the glass lid off. And obviously that doesn't leave you with much worktop space, and my partner was not a happy bunny about that, understandably, so I thought I'll have a look and see what there is. And I found out this is actually a Kramer sink, and it's available in 3 different colours that I know of, like this stainless, well I don't know if it's stainless, but this sort of bare metal, this metal colour. You can get them in white or you can get them in red. Now, it just so happened, as I was looking on eBay, Oldham Caravans have got the identical, another of these caravans, exact same caravan for sale, and it's got its glass lid. So I managed to find out the colour of it, because, like it says, the white sinks, they have the lid with the sort of the white around it, but these, they have like a grey around the edge. It'll make sense when I see it. So, like it says, I looked on eBay, and there's some white sinks, and there's even a white glass lid on its own for sale. Anyway, there was a red one on eBay, and the glass lid is exactly the same as on this colour sink, so I've gone and bought it, and it's here. Basically, complete sink. Now, and it's just everything it comes with. You know, it's got the tap and the lid. This is actually the right colour for that sink, so my plan is to take the tap and the glass lid off it. Looks easy, lid looks easy enough to swap over, but I've also got some extra goodies. So basically I'm going to salvage everything off this sink, and that's my plan. But I think the only problem is, I think I'm going to have to take this sink out. Hopefully its seal should be alright, so I think the best thing to do is to pull this sink out, swap bits over and put it back. So I think that's the plan. I don't think I can get to it from underneath. There's this fridge in the way. I don't think, no, I'd have to pull the fridge out. So I think the best option is to take this sink out. So that's my plan. So move that. That's for the water. That's for the water pump. So just 4 Phillips screws here. So undo them. And the sink should just lift out, and I can just start disconnecting it. You know, obviously there's going to be the wastewater and the supply to the tap. And I've got the other sink for reference. So these 4 screws, they're done. Let's see if I can. Yep. Oh look. Oh, easy enough. Lift the sink out. Really is as simple as that. Oh, that's the easy bit so far. It's just a matter of disconnecting everything. Yeah, and that could be easier said than done. Let's have a look. Ah, right, I think I'm... So, oh yeah, there's all connections for waste as well, for wastewater, and I can actually get to it. I can actually get to... So, what I can do is if I pull these drawers out, I should be able to pull this. I'm hoping I can pull this drawer out. And this might be easier said than done. And I'll come back to you. The electrical connections look easy enough to do. It's purple and yellow to black and purple to brown. And the wires are the same colours. You've got a brown and a black one, so pretty much a straight swap electrical wise. So I'll undone them. I've taken a photo of that. So purple and yellow to black. So with everything disconnected, this can come out and I can start swapping parts over. So, oops, just a bit awkward to do, I'm holding camera. So all I need to do is take this tap out, and I'll start doing some swapperoos with lines. So that's the sink stripped out, ready to fit the correct tap. And that says the wires were connected on a chocolate block, so what I'll do is I'll just cut these connectors off and strip it down, and that should be good. So that's the work on top done, and the tap just folds away like so, and I just need to do the connections to the water, wastewater and electrical. So I'll do that off camera. It's awkward space, I can't really film it. It's just reverse taking everything off, and the beauty of these connections is these are push fit, so you just push them in and they click into place, and hopefully we have a leak-free sink, or leak-free pipes. So I'll get all that connected up, and then we can move on to fitting the glass lid. Everything's buttoned up underneath. Now you see the water connections. And I've done the electricals and the wastewater, so everything's buttoned up. And the wastewaters don't look to be quite secure. Let's have a look here. Yeah, that should be alright. So we're all done underneath. Just this lid to swap over. And just looking at it, it's just a couple of screws. And it should come right. I won't do this on camera. So it's all done. We've got a nice functioning sink. There we go. That's all working. And bit of a Brucey bonus. Got an extra plug. I might include that with this sink if I decide to sell it on. Yeah, I'm sure I can sell it on. That's metal, is that? So there we go. It shuts down nicely. Nice workspace. There we go. Exactly as it left the factory. It's even the right colour. That's a beauty of these of the sort of, well, I don't know, it's red, like a maroon colour sinks. This is the same colour as with the bare, the bare metal one. Now the white ones, this is all white, so I couldn't use that, and that's exactly as it is. So anyway, I'm gonna start tidying up. That's another job ticked off the list that I didn't even know about when I bought the Caravan. So hope you enjoyed this video. As ever, thanks for watching, and I'll see you.